For us, it's given us peace of mind that obviously we'll be given money on time, payments on time, and also that we're in control of those payments. And it's also given us a chance to help the families make sure that they do pay us, and that if there's any they need any assistance, then obviously they can help us. We can help them by giving them step-by-step guides how to use the system themselves. But the benefits we found for the parents or the carers that use this 30-hour funding offer is that it gives them peace of mind. As you can imagine, childcare costs can be quite expensive and can be a burden financially on children, on families, sorry. So that take that away, then obviously they're more relaxed, and I imagine then the home is a more relaxed atmosphere as the burden of payment for childcare has been taken away from them. In regards to the benefits to the child, I'm sure they don't understand the whole process that has to go through to obtain these 30 hours fundings, but to have a happy mum and dad, or to have a happy parents at home, I'm sure is a bonus for them, as the fact that payment has been given to them by the government for their childcare, that they have happy atmosphere at home. Well, following attending the course back in 2018, I found the process of applying to be a registered care provider on this system a very easy one, thankfully, because we were giving a step-by-step guide during that course, and I've used that as my Bible when I actually do then go online to be able to confirm attendance and obviously to make a payment claim. So I found it very useful. Overall, I think it's a fantastic thing to do because being a parent myself, money goes out very quickly rather than coming back in, so to have that tiny bit of help is a great thing. And also I would recommend anybody that is thinking about taking this up to do so. It's quite easy, and the Family Information Service along with Carmarthenshire and Ceredigion County Council are just a phone call away, and they're more than happy to help you.